Hello guys, together with you Olejek, and we have a new motorbike, Honda SL230. It's a light enduro bike, around 108 kilograms dry weight, the fuel tank around 9 liters. It's 223 cc. Basically it's very light bike for light enduro, and we're doing some cleaning carburetors, adjustings, checking the oil, changing oil. There is no fuel filter, it's just a mesh which you need to clean, blow with the air and install back, so very simple bike, basically just the air filter, and that's it. It's air cooled, and 1 liter of oil and the capacity. So what we're going to do today, we want to improve the lights. First of all, on the dashboard we install a LED light instead of a regular lamp, and it's very bright. I will show you. It's pretty nice. This bike just came from Japan, so we're checking the whole electric system, distribution and the lights. So this is the H4 lamp which is used for the headlight, stainless glass, and basically you have enclosure. So what is my plan? I want to install LED light, but it have a radiator and a fan. So if you see the size of standard H4 lamp, basically there is not much sticking out, and it's not so deep inside the enclosure of the lamp. But with our LED you have radiator and fan, so basically it will not fit inside. So what I did small modification. If you take the enclosure, I made a hole, so exactly it's 35 millimeters. So this is what we cut out. For this you need a special tool. You can use any drill bit, but this is the tool which you will use. You can go with a more brutal, and you can use the simple set, but the tooth of this set is very sharp, so it will not give you such a nice quality cut. And this is our bit set from Parkside. This is how it looks, and exactly the biggest one is a 35 millimeter. We take all measurements with a caliper, but 35 is very tight, it's exactly, so we will do a little bit more penetrations. It was really quite a challenge to assemble inside the housing with all wires and connections, and to line up the cooling fan with radiator into the hole, and to assemble everything together. But we are succeed. You can see all screws in place. Everything looks fine. This is our hole from the back. So basically, if we turn on the light, it's very bright. And you can see the spinning fan. There is no gaps on the sides. It's just fit exactly how it should be. Yes. After I install and secure everything, I will show you the close light and far light, how it works. But it's pretty amazing. Yeah. So everything done and secured. As you can see, we can move from one side to other there is still a small clearance. This is our fan. Passing everything easy and nicely. So yeah, and now we will check far light. You have correct indication. Yeah, and this is the far light. Let's switch off the lights. Not so bad, huh? So guys, if you have any questions, just send me messages, I will answer, and if you need any assistance and help, I am here for you.